Interesting question based on unit circle. Learn this strategy from Anil Kumar. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is there for last 15 years with more than 17,000 videos providing absolutely free services. And the website Global Math Institute, which stands for Quality Education for All. People more than 80 countries are watching these videos. And we here have a very interesting question based on unit circle trigonometry for you. The question is, the terminal arm of an angle theta in standard position intersects the unit circle in quadrant 4 at a point P square root 6 over 3 comma y. Find the value of y. Interesting, right? So this kind of a point is not really given on the unit circle, right? You need to find it. There are infinite points on a unit circle, as you know. So let's see, how do we solve such a question? Now, when we say that the terminal arm making an angle theta in standard position and intersects unit circle in quadrant 4, that means somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. We don't know exactly, but we know that this angle here is theta, right? Making an angle theta in standard position intersects. And let's say the point is somewhere there. This is point P for us, where we are given the x value, square root 6 over 3, and we need to find the y value. So I hope the question is absolutely clear. Perfect. How do we figure this out? Well, clearly, to find this answer, we know one thing, that the radius r is equal to 1, correct? The radius r is equal to 1. So what should be the value of y? We can write down the equation, which is x square plus y square equals to 1 square over 1. The x value is given to us, which is square root 6 over 3. So square of this plus y value we need to find should be equal to 1, right? So that gives you 6 over 9 plus y square equals to 1, right? So now the idea is to find the value of y. So we can now write this as y square is equal to, you can also simplify 6 over 9, right? We'll do it later. 1 minus 6 over 9, correct? Which is 9 minus 6 over 9, or can be written as 3 over 9 or 1 over 3, correct? So this is the value of y square. So what is the value of y? Y should be equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 3. Now since we are in quadrant 4, y is less than 0, right? And therefore, we are going to take the value of y as negative, right? So not positive. So this implies that y should be equal to negative 1 over square root 3, which we can also write as negative square root 3 over 3. Is that clear to you? So that is how we are going to find the value of y in this particular case. So I hope you have understood the concept, right? So we can write down our answer, which is that the point, the y value is minus square root 3 over 3, right? With a negative sign because you are in quadrant 4. Makes sense, right? Okay, perfect. So that becomes the answer for this question. Now you have understood the concept. I'd like you to answer the second question, which is very similar, right? Which reads, the terminal arm of an angle theta in standard position intersects the unit circle in quadrant 3 this time, right? So that means somewhere there, right? We don't know, somewhere there. At a point x, square root 5 over 3 is the y value, right? So which should be negative, right? So we'll make it negative. So in quadrant 3, the y value has to be negative square root 5 over 3. We need to find the value of x in this particular case. So take this as your practice question, right? And those of you who really want to understand the concepts from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. So let us see, how do we solve this? Well, concept is exactly same. We are looking for some point here whose y value is given to us, right? This point P now is x minus square root 5 over 3, correct? So x square plus y square is equal to 1, as we know. So x square plus minus square root 5 over 3 whole square equals to 1. X squared plus 5 over 9 equals to 1, correct? We can rearrange and then write the value of x squared as equal to 1 minus 5 over 9, which is 9 minus 5 over 9, or 4 over 9, correct? So that gives you the value of x as, since you are in quadrant 3, x is negative, right? We know x is less than 0. So we'll take the negative value of square root of 4 over 9, which is negative value of 2 over 3. You get the idea. So the x value is negative 2 over 3, and the coordinate points in this particular case P will be minus 2 over 3 and minus square root 5 over 3. Makes sense, right? So that becomes the coordinate points of P on the unit circle. So you should look beyond the given set of points on unit circle. It has infinite points, and these kinds of questions can also come. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you want to subscribe to our video and also contribute, that'll be great. Thanks for your contributions and great suggestions. Thank you, and all the best.